Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In my previous comparison videos, we compared the HAL's Rudra helicopter with the imported Boeing Apache chopper and also HAL LCH with the same Boeing Apache helicopter. This video is not to compare the choppers which are within Indian Air Force or Indian Army fleet, but for a change we will compare India's LCH with Chinese Z-10 medium attack helicopter. As usual, before getting into the comparison, let us quickly see the definition about these two choppers and then we'll go ahead with the other comparison details. The HAL Light Combat Helicopter is a multi-role combat chopper designed and developed by Rotary Wing Research and Design Center and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. During the Kargil War, Indian Armed Forces realized the lack of a proper armed attack chopper in Indian fleet, which can operate at high altitudes. And due to this, Indian Armed Forces launched a development program to produce such a rotorcraft, referred to as simply Light Combat Helicopter. The Z-10 is a Chinese medium attack helicopter developed by Chang'e Aircraft Industries Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Ground Force. These choppers are designed primarily for anti-tank warfare missions, but have secondary air-to-air combat capability as well. During the mid-1980s, the Chinese decided a dedicated attack helicopter was required as they were using civilian choppers converted for military purpose which were not adequate in the attack role. So that was the definition and quick intro about the LCH of India and Z-10 of China. Now let's see the general characteristics. Both HAL LCH and China's Z-10 have a crew member of 2. The length of LCH stands at 15.8 meters, whereas the length of Z-10 stands at 14.15 meter. The height is 4.70 meter for LCH, and the height of Z-10 is 3.85 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of LCH stands at 5,800 kilograms. The Z-10's maximum takeoff weight is 7,000 kilograms. The main rotor diameter of LCH is 13.2 meters and Z-10's 12 meters. So that was the general characteristics. Coming to the engines that power these choppers, the HAL LCH is powered by two Turbomeca Shakti 1H1 turboshaft engines with 1384 shp each. These engines are derived from Safran Adient turboshaft engines. The China's Z-10 helicopter is powered with two WZ-9 turboshaft engines with 1341 HP each. Coming to the performance parameters of these helicopters, the maximum speed of HAL LCH is 330 km per hour and Z-10's is 270 km per hour. The range of Z-10 is more than LCH, which is 800 km per hour for Z-10 and 550 km for LCH. The rate of climb of LCH is 12 meters per second, whereas Z-10's rate of climb is 10 meters per second. Coming to avionics details, the LCH is furnished with a glass cockpit which accommodates an integrated avionics and display system with multifunction displays. This is in conjunction with the onboard target acquisition and designation systems. The Saab's extensive electronic warfare suite protects the LCH and it comprises various defensive elements to guard against several different threats. The defensive components include a radar warning receiver, a laser warning receiver, and a missile approach warning system. The LCH is also equipped with a state-of-art sensor suite. It includes a charge-coupled device camera, a forward-looking infrared camera, and a laser designator. The two cameras capture the location and position of enemies, ensuring clear visibility even during bad weather conditions. Coming to the avionics details of Z-10, these choppers have stepped tandem cockpit which houses two aviators, the gunner in the back and the pilot in the front. The flight control of both aviators serves to back each other up, and the pilot, who is also the team leader of the air crew, may override the gunner's commands. The bottom and sides of the cockpit are protected by composite armor, so are the engines and the fuel tank located in the middle of the fuselage. The bulletproof glass of the canopy may be as thick as 38 millimeters and is able to withstand direct hits from shrapnel and rounds fired from machine guns up to .50 caliber size. Additional armor plates can be fitted for improved protection. Coming to the armament details, the LCH has one M621 cannon on Nexter THL-20 turret. The 70mm FZ or Thales rocket pods is the rocket details. Coming to missiles, it can carry MBDA Mistral air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface and anti-radiation missiles as well. It even supports the Helena anti-tank guided missiles. Coming to the bombs, it can carry variety of bombs like cluster bombs, unguided bombs or grenade launchers. Even though LCH is equipped with these air-to-air missiles, anti-tank guided missiles and anti-radiation missiles and also the rocket pods, but this indigenously developed tech is yet to prove its capability. Coming to the armaments of China's Z-10, it has one 23mm revolver gun or one 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain guns copy. The rockets, it has 57mm unguided rocket pods. Coming to missile details, it can carry HJ-10 air-to-surface, anti-tank, anti-helicopter missiles. In addition to this, it can also carry HJ-8, HJ-9 missiles. Coming to air-to-air missiles, it can carry TY-90, PL-5, PL-7 and PL-9 missiles. So how much these choppers cost? The HAL's LCH unit cost is $20.2 million US, whereas the China's Z-10 cost is $17 million US. So that was a quick high-level comparison between India's HAL LCH and China's Z-10 helicopter. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Welcome.